Welcome to Expo City, and I just wanted to do a general video here of what was obviously in the news globally for the Expo World Tourism Show, which obviously was going to be Expo 2020, but due to COVID it went in Expo 2021. And isn't this just the most fabulous place? So I'm walking around because I've been looking at construction updates for my clients that have bought with me townhouses and villas here. We have apartments on payment plans for launch, and potentially I've also got townhouses and villas and plots of land that are now selling in the secondary market. So do get in touch with me. I've been here 13 years selling real estate. I'm from the UK, homeowner myself, doubled my money, and now I'm here to do the same. But in the meantime, this video is really just a quick walk through Expo City, because what is it today? So it's full of offices, restaurants. You've got two hotels, the Rove and Cheval Maison. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed Al Maktoum has his offices here as well. And this is just the most fabulous dome. They have entertainment here and all sorts going on. And then right behind me, where I've just walked from, is actually the metro station for Expo City, and of course the exhibition centre, which is shortly going to become the largest exhibition centre in the UAE in the next 2 years. So people buying property here are buying into the future, which is where they're making money. You know, the entry point in for townhouses here was at 3.35 million. Those properties are now selling at least at 4.2 million, so they've made a 1.2 million profit on a house that's not even ready yet, because they believed in the future. They're pioneers. Yes, of course you can be comforted and come and see a property finished before you buy, but of course you're not going to make the same appreciation or markups. So it is entirely up to you as to your risk appetite. Those that take the most risk obviously do well, as long as you're working with a realtor who understands the appreciation, the direction of the market, the locations that count, and more than anything, which developer is good and which you want to stay away from. So here is just really a walkthrough of this fabulous place. The acoustics at night here, they have a lot of orchestral opera singing going on, and there's lots of restaurants, cafes, because you've already got Siemens head office that is based out of here, Nestle head office, DP Holdings head office. You've also got Emirates Airlines moving down here, because of course we're just minutes from what will be the world's largest airport. So imagine owning a home, living here, you know, next to the world's busiest airport. That's pretty insane. The other thing, of course, is we've got this is a car-free city. So everything is buggy here. Lots of apartments coming, but they're all on the outside. You've also got the fact this is the first villa community that will be reachable by metro. So there is no other villa community in Dubai where you can get here by metro station. That might not be important for you, but definitely for your house help, for your nannies, for your drivers that need to come. Welcome to Terra. So this is just like a really special part of Expo, because this is all sustainable, and these, shall I say, satellite dishes move towards the sunlight and they take energy, and then they actually, you know, use the solar energy. So this is the future. And in fact, I think I read somewhere that the UAE or the Middle East has more potential solar energy than anywhere else in the world. So if you're living in this part of the world or in this city, Expo City, then your electricity bills are going to be a lot cheaper than everywhere else. But isn't this absolutely beautiful? So this is called Terra, and you'll see that I have lots of real estate opportunities here in this part of Expo. And if we just kind of walk a little bit away from the dome, I want to just show you up here on the right where the cranes are, because this is essentially the first residential district, the Mangrove Residences, where people bought 3 years ago on a payment plan, and the apartments are now coming. But you've even got like a pharmacy here on the left. You've got supermarkets, you've got farmers markets. There's so much coming, and there's so much more coming. So it's very, very exciting times. So if you're looking for property in this part of the world, in Dubai, we're also closer to Abu Dhabi here, and you're very fast to exit and entrance, then get in touch. My details are below in the description on the link, and let me help you buy a home next, whether it is an apartment in Expo or it is a townhouse, a villa, or even a plot of land. For now, we do have availability, but I cannot guarantee how long. And just be aware that when I took this video, Palm Jebel Ali has fully sold out, which means we don't have villas down this side of the city anymore. So everybody is going to be triggered to be buying here in Expo or in the Dubai South area. So that's going to put prices up. So if you know that you're looking into the future of acquiring a property, get in touch, do it here quickly.